Swingvy.
Hi, this is Swingvy mobile app. I'm here to show you an overview of what Swingvy's mobile app could do. For a start, you can download Swingvy's mobile app on the App Store or Google's Play Store. Upon logging into the app using your email and password, you'll be able to see your timestamp at the top. For those who have time and attendance module activated, you'll be able to clock in. They will pick up the location that you have. You're not able to change the location. You can add in a note. For example, you can put maybe perhaps 37.6 degrees maybe, and you can just click clock in. As an overview, you are also able to see these modules and icons. Events is for you to check your calendar to see who's on leave, where's your public holiday. You can just scroll down and just select your desired date that you want and see who's on leave. When you click the leave tab, you'll be able to see your balance of leave. You can click into the individual, you can see what's available, used and total. You can also see what's earned and what's carried forward. Click on the button at the bottom brings you to the page that you can take leave. Otherwise, when you go back to the main page, there's this iconic blue plus button that you can shortcut keys to actually request for leave the very same way. Requesting for leave is easy. Just select the leave type that you want, select the date, select whether is it AM or PM. We have up to 3 levels of approval. Type in your reason, CC your employees or CC your teammates, and you'll be able to add attachment and just click request. That's so simple. Besides this, you'll be able to actually do your claims over here in Swingvy's mobile app as well. You can click on the claims tab where you'll be able to see the last 10 receipts. Otherwise, you can always snap a receipt. Okay, for example, once you snap, you'll be able to add in details, so you can just pull it out from here as well. Zoom in and fill up the details and link to whichever report that you want to. If you just use our mobile app and click snap receipt, you will be able to have the top 10 receipts that you've snapped using the mobile app over here available for you to put in the details before you sleep at night, so that you can ensure you don't have to find through your galleries like what I'm doing now and click choose from gallery, and that's quite a hassle. You can also update PDFs over here, and all these functions can also be done on our web, which is www.swingvy.com. Besides this, you can see your timestamps, you can see your timesheets of what is your clock in data of your team members if let's say you are the approval, and you can also view the rest of your clock in time over here. As I'm using a demo data, of course the data will be limited. You can also check your pay slips over here. You can view what's your pay month, company's details, year to date, and all the details over here. We like to highlight that this is a computer generated pay slips, so no signature is required, and right at the top significantly you can see the blue net salary. That will be the amount you received on your internet banking. Okay? Great, let's move on. You can see an overview of the top 3 leaves that you have taken. You see a moon icon, so that means it's PM. If it's a sun, it's AM. We try to make it more visual for you. You can view your claims reports over here, as well as the top 10 days, 7 to 10 days events that are upcoming, like who's on leave, whose birthday, so on and so forth, and the public holidays. Okay, now let's move on to the left of the blue plus button, My Office. You can actually call your colleagues and email, so these are basic data that are allowed in staff directory. Under offices, you'll be able to map and you can find your office. This is great for newcomers, interns, or people who are constantly on the move. There's also the news portion where you can put in your handbooks, details that you want your employees to be aware of, even whistleblower policy as well. To the right of the blue plus button, this is where you receive your notifications. So this is a demo data, that's why we don't have anything here. And over here you can see my profile where you can upload your photo. If you don't, this will show an alphabet of your name, and everybody, might have the same alphabets. So put your photo. Push notification, ensure that you turn on everything, otherwise you won't be able to receive notification like what I did just now on the previous screen. Help Center is extremely helpful. You'll be able to get all the guides, screenshots, and things that you need help on. There is also a guide for employees with step-by-steps and screenshots. If you're not sure, you can pop in here to chat. Otherwise, you can send a ticket over through to us and our support team will get back to you as soon as possible. This seems to be fast, pause if you need to, but this is our Swingvy's mobile app. We are constantly on the lookout for improvements, so if you have any feedbacks, feel free to write in to us or just drop by and let us know. Alright, we hope to see you in Swingvy!
Swingvy.